This is literally the same day. But yeah, this is the end result of me putting in my hair. I know I wasn't talking in the video. It's because I had music playing, copyright, you know how that go. So yeah, this is literally me putting on the wig. This hair is from Unice and I absolutely love it. This is like my second time installing it. Second or third time installing this wig. I didn't use any hot tools, so this is just kind of like the natural pattern I got going on because I didn't wand curl it or straighten it just because I didn't want to. But yeah, this is how it's looking. Very much transparent, very much giving scalp, very much flat. So yeah, I just wanted to come back with some makeup on so I can look more live. This is the finished result of the hair. I absolutely love it. Again, this wig is from Unice and it was super easy to install. This is a 4x4 closure. I already did a whole wig review on it, so if you are interested in that, then check out that video. But yeah, this is the end. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. Tell me, am I getting better at installing my wigs? Because I'm honestly still a beginner. I'm still learning. I don't really know how to do baby hairs, but like I'm really trying. So this was something new to me. Doing it like this on the sides. I know a lot of girls wear it like that. So please tell me down below, am I getting better at installing wigs? Because I'm not paying $250, $300, $350, $400. I'm not paying none of that. Like I'm saving my coins and I'm not paying no hairstylist to glue some hair on me. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not doing it. So let me know if I'm getting better. I feel like I am, but I want to know what y'all think. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn that post notification bell on because it's always sunny on this side and you don't know when I'm gonna drop a new video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content and I will see y'all in my next video. I love you guys.